Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prabjeet Singh Sethi from Dontia Dental Care. So today's topic of our discussion regarding the teeth queries will be electric power toothbrush. So the most common question the patients ask is, Doctor, should we use the electric brush or should we use the manual brush? So my answer is yes, definitely the electric brush helps you clean your teeth much better than your normal manual toothbrush. So there are many reasons why a power electric toothbrush is better than a normal manual toothbrush. First of all, we have a very small head in this device, which when we power it on, it rotates on its own in 90 degrees clockwise and anti-clockwise. As a result of which, it totally cleans out each and every surface of the teeth in a proper way, which we are unable to do with a manual toothbrush because most of the time everybody is not that efficient to clean each and every surface with the hand movements. Especially those who are physically disabled, it is really a blessing for such people. So finally, I have completed 10,000 steps for today. So yes, just like our smart watch keeps account of our steps, our health, our BP and etc., our power brush these days are smart too. So it keeps a record of whether you're brushed properly and it also gives you a reminder to brush your teeth. So this is really a unique feature in the brushes. So now let's see how we use our electric power brush and I'll demonstrate on a model how to brush your teeth. So the first and foremost you make sure is that your power brush is completely charged overnight. Then you switch on, this is the normal basic model of the Oral-B power brush. We switch it on by pressing this button and the oscillation starts. We start with the lower quadrant first. Place your bristles against a little bit of the gums and the teeth at a favorable angle and we let the brush do its work and gently take it upwards. Then we go to the next teeth slowly for 3 seconds, count and then let it go upwards. And this way we continue one teeth after the other till we reach the front teeth and finish the entire one side of the quadrant of the lower jaw. Now we come to the front teeth. In a similar way, we put the bristles at an angle, partly covering the gums and the teeth, and move it upwards. So 3 seconds for every teeth, we do the same thing. This is continued again to the top chewing surface of all the teeth, where we place it on top and massage gently over each and every tooth 3 seconds without applying much pressure. Let the brush do its own function. Don't apply pressure on this. So now we see how to clean the inner side of the front teeth. We place it again near the gums and the teeth, massage it upwards for all the teeth on the inner side. Same way we go for the back teeth, each tooth at a time, 3 seconds for a tooth. Approximately the whole lower jaw will take 1.5 minutes. This is the way we clean on the inner surface of all the teeth on the lower jaw. The similar way we clean the upper teeth, first starting with the back teeth, keeping the brush at a favorable angle, touching a bit of the gums and the teeth and moving it downwards like this, each tooth at a time, letting the brush do its work on its own without applying pressure, because you see if I apply the pressure, the brush stops moving freely. So we don't have to apply pressure. Just let the brush do its work. Half on the gums, more on the tooth and go down. So this way we finish brushing all the upper and lower teeth. It will take you around about 2 to 3 minutes. Just revising the position of the brush for the lower back teeth. The bristles are little on the gums and the teeth. Let it do its work and you move it up. The front teeth again little on the gums and the teeth and move it up. On the inner side, like I had said, and move it up. Same way the back teeth. For the upper back teeth, this is the way you hold it at an angle and move it down. Little on the gums and the teeth and move it down. For the inside upper part, you hold it like this and move it down. Same way for the inner, you move it downwards. And this way you finish brushing all your teeth in approximately 2 to 3 minutes. So one important point before we come to the end of this video is there is a time to change our bristles for the brush, just like a normal toothbrush, and preferably it is after 2 to 3 months or before. If you notice that your bristles are getting flared outwards like this, it's time to change. Please do change it and don't continue with these because they won't clean properly and will traumatize your gums. Thank you for viewing this video. Please do like it and subscribe for our channel and put your comments to whatever you want to know in our future videos, your queries, your doubts about health of teeth and your smile. So this is Dr. Prabjeet Singh Seri from Dontia Dental Care logging out. Thank you and have a smiling day.